In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the profile picture of your Facebook page. This is a simple yet effective way to refresh your page's appearance, ensuring it reflects your brand or personality even more accurately. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to head over to your Facebook page. To do this reliably, open up Meta Business Suite in your preferred browser. This is the hub where you can manage all your page activities efficiently. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite, navigate to the specific page you're aiming to update. It's important to ensure that you're an admin or have the proper permissions to make changes, otherwise you might not be able to proceed with the update. After successfully accessing your page, your next step is to locate your current profile picture. It's usually positioned right at the top left corner of your page. Go ahead and click on this image. Once clicked, a few options should appear. What you want to do here is select the option labeled Update Profile Picture. Alternatively, if you notice a little camera icon overlay on your profile image, you can click this as well to reach the same menu. This icon is a quick access method to managing your profile image. Now it's time to choose your new picture. Hit the Upload Photo button, which allows you to browse your device for the perfect image. When selecting your new profile picture, consider using a high-quality image that best represents your page. Whether it's your logo, a personal photograph, or another type of image, make sure it aligns with the theme or message of your page. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and upload it. Upon uploading, you'll be given the option to adjust the photo. This step is crucial for ensuring the image fits neatly into the profile picture space. You might want to zoom in or out or reposition it to get the focal point just right. Spend a few moments here to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it. Remember that the profile picture is often the first impression visitors get of your page, so it's worth taking time on this part. Once you're satisfied with how the new profile image looks, go ahead and save your changes. You should receive a confirmation of sorts indicating that your profile picture has been updated. Take a moment to refresh your page or view your profile picture from a different device to see it in action. This can help in ensuring everything was uploaded correctly and looks good across various devices. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the profile picture for your Facebook page. This small change can have a big impact, helping your page stay updated and visually cohesive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.